Hi everyone. So today we're going to resolve my streak 400 problem. And it will be the minimal time to make rope colorful. So I wouldn't dive in description because we basically checked it before, but I wanted to rephrase it more in business logic. So just imagine that you're facing a business problem where you have a long sequence of tasks for your team, but you know that doing identical tasks back to back causes burnout and wasted time, like if you repeated it multiple times. So what do? We implement simple rule. If in any block of consequent identical task line, like for example, run report, run report, run report, remove all but one, the most valuable. So in this way, we have every single task with different values and profit associated with this. So we choose to have the most profitable, which clearly lead us to the greedy approach. In this way, we refine a block of identical tasks like reporting, and we have different values, like one report costs $100, another $50, another $120. So the most optimal strategy will be concentrate on the most expensive, the most valuable, $120. In this way, we will be more profitable. Then we will just keep the total cost that we can earn, like plussing together all the value, and we just subtract the value of the most valuable one. In this way, we will have the cost of total of what we could have earned, and we will subtract the value of the most profitable task which we really want to solve. It's kind of provide us with both perspective. In the first way, we have the lose profit. Another way, we have exactly value where they gain the most for the time and energy spent. So now how we will code this system will be very simple. We will start with counting total number of tasks that we have. So we will look for string length of colors to count how many we have different colors. Then we will need our total value, total cost, which will equal initial to 0. Then we will look for our most profitable. So max cost in group. So the one task in group that cost the most. After this, we will run one for loop with big O of n efficiently to scan the whole list and efficiently select the most profitable task while counting the total value of tasks. So we will start with for loop. We will assign I to 0. I will be less than total length of all our tasks, and then we will increment I. So now we look for if statement. Here we need to check two things. If it's not the first task, and if it's called the same as the task immediately before it. So to make sure that it's not the same, we will start with I bigger than 0. So it already has some value. Then we look for colors of I equal to colors of I minus 1. So basically, if it's the previous one. Next, we will do very simple step. we'll need to populate our total cost, which will be minimal value of needed time of I and our max cost in group. And this way we will efficiently make sure that our total cost wouldn't have the value of the maximum time. So max cost in group will be equal to max of needed time and max cost in group. Then we have other case. So if it's a new group, we will assign the max cost in group to the new value. Now, after we will run this loop, we will just return the total cost. So in this way, we check our list of all tasks. We make sure the tasks is bigger than 0 and the task is the previous one. Then we will count total cost by adding the needed time for completing less valuable tasks, making sure that we don't add the most important task that we should do. The most important task is generated by running through the needed time and taking the maximum value to update max cost group. Then we have a simple catch for a new task. Right, let's run it. Let's pass it and submit it. And it's happily submitted on my completion streak 400 days. Consistency is the key. See you tomorrow. And thank you for your attention. If you have any ideas, feel free to leave them down in comments. And have a great day. Bye.